Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I will to tell you how to make a login form just using HTML and CSS. Okay, let's get it. Okay guys, I have created a folder with the login name and I have also prepared an image for the background. After that, we create a login file. Okay, we will insert the syntax to create a login page. Don't forget to make the class. Okay, it looks still ordinary. Now we will start designing the login page. Okay guys, this is a display of transparent login form. I hope this video can help you, and the end my video I apologize if I have some mistakes, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, bye bye, thank you for watching.